Kolkata Da Trainee Dr. Nupi Amabu Manganlaba Matungda Tamthina Neiduna Hatkhibagi Maiyokta Mara Leibasing Akanma Chairak Piyu Haiduna Churachandpur Medical College Manipurgi Mahairoising ngasi Kiamgai Covid Hospital da Wakat Mipham Chathakhre. Wakat Mipham aduda Nupising buhanthana yenganu Mara Leiba Miyoi Chairak Piyu Achumba Wayal Phanghallu haiba placard kayasu sizinaki. Khongjang singna haikibada Kolkata gi RZ Medical College and Hospital College da Dr. Trainee Nupi Amabu Tamthina Nairaga hatlamba thodok asi akanma mongda condemn tawi. Nupi angang singda chathariba crime singda chenaba sing akanma chairak piduna matung amuk hanna thokhandanaba mari lainaba singna hotnabiyu haiki. Ningsing bayai Kolkata gi thodok aduga mari lainana Indian Medical Association na non-emergency service sing leptuna khongjang changsin naba khangan khibasu lairabani.
medical teacher da mo intern tawrakani mo posting apunda chalakani mokoigi safety se karailoba akoigi safety se karailoba tuna sugumba se akoigi lei mari lei nariba authorities hai tare ko te lenga nga iba mayam sudane sugumba ki apul dai undanini tungbezu sukhonna kanam da cha nupi iba samasi ki manghan laga ma chi na sugumba ki to se yaninde masi athuba matam dane rungjari masi athuba matam dane charaki piu adu justice we want justice.
Medical college students doctor worldwide issue nation Nupi Gaza Sumaina Tamthina Hatkhibagi Maiyokta Tawbase Yazaninge Haidana Mayamda Justice Piyu Haidana Si Kanagumbi ama hekta thokpa yai tambangamde ekhoda thokpa yai amadi akhoi ichan iche adegi hima tambangamde se thokpa yai sigumba crime se handaki issues na maram oraga capitalist ama oraga takadoriba future dasu abukhana ubo foundation haina how obama how bisida sarya jabani
अखोइना डॉक्टर होइगेना लाक्पसे अखोइना कम्युनिटी दा सर्व तौजगे लाइफ सेव तौजगेना लाक्पनी अदो हॉस्पिटल दबो अखोसे सेफ ओइरक्तगदी अखोसे हजिक सोसाइटी से कै ओइरना अखो ज्ञान तासरक्ते अदुना जस्टिस याम थुना फंगानेनी मथक तंग स्टेक होल्डर्स ना जस्ट एविडेंस प्रोवाइड बिदबा दुगा फजन जस्टिस तो सरफेस तक पुथोहानेनी.
Disheartens me that the people of my country, they tend to forget things very easily. Like these kind of things happened in the past. There were protests, but everyone forgot very easily. As a responsible citizen and a part of this country, it doesn't matter which part of the society you belong to, what religion you follow, which caste you belong to. You should stand against this, because this is not just a crime against a doctor, it's a crime against humanity. If you are not standing against it now, then you are worse than a dead body. A person who is not with us, they can't cry out for justice for themselves. It is our duty to ensure that justice is served. So don't fail her as a society when she is not with us. We already failed her as a society when she was with us. I would like to leave everyone with just a question to ask to yourself, that would you have behaved in the same way if she was somehow related to you? Is this country really independent? We are celebrating our 78th Independence Day, but ask yourself, is there really independence in this country for women? Thank you.